I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Know whether Windows is 32-bit or 64-bit, and close the app that needs the redistributable. Once done, remove any partially installed or conflicting Visual C++ packages to avoid version clashes. Now download the matching redistributable installer for x86 or x64 from Microsoft and confirm the file integrity. After the download completes, run the installer as administrator. This ensures proper registry and system file updates. Proceed immediately to the next step to complete runtime integration. Run the redistributable installer elevated so the setup can write DLLs and register runtimes. When prompted, choose Install or Repair depending on whether a previous version exists. This replaces corrupted files without extra steps. During installation, watch for error prompts and let the process update system DLLs. Do not cancel. Make sure to install both x86 and x64 variants if your application or other programs require both architectures. Once installation finishes, restart Windows if the installer requests. After reboot, open the application that needed the redistributable and confirm it runs. If you see complaints about missing MSVCP or vcruntime DLLs, check Event Viewer or the app log to identify which version is lacking. If problems persist, run sfc/scano from an elevated command prompt to repair system files, and then reinstall the correct redistributable. If that fails, uninstall all Visual C++ redistributables, reboot, and perform a clean reinstall of the required versions as the final recovery step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.